Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Next Insurance for policy onboarding authorization easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with Next Insurance, visit the Next Insurance homepage. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password associated with your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your policy details. Look for the Policy Onboarding section on the dashboard. Click on the Authorize button next to the policy you wish to onboard. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm your authorization for policy onboarding. Review the terms and conditions presented before proceeding. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Then, click the Submit button to finalize your authorization. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your authorization was successful. Please check your email for a confirmation notice from Next Insurance. Keep this email for your records, as it contains important information regarding your policy. If you encounter any issues during the process, return to the help section on their website. Alternatively, you can contact Next Insurance customer support for further assistance. Once authorized, your policy onboarding will begin processing in the system. Now you are all set to enjoy your coverage with Next Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.